most common issues with a GMC. As we all know, getting a Google Merchant Center approved can be really challenging. If you've tried it yourself or you're trying it right now, you've probably run into some issues. From website needs improvement to the worst one, misrepresentation. Google likes to make it challenging for us. In this channel, I will go over all the different issues you can face when getting your Google Merchant Center approved and help you fix them. Without further ado, let's dive into this first video, an overview of all the issues you can get in your GMC. My name is Stijn and we are the Merchant Masters. So, as I already said, in this video, I want to quickly go over all the GMC issues that you can have. It's a big list, but they are all fixable. There are some issues that are on the product level and there are some issues that are on the account level. So, let's dive in. Here I have a list for all the issues that Google says itself that you can run into. So, malicious software. Most of the times, this is when you have apps on your website or other software pieces in the code or something like that that are conflicting with Google, their policies. This is an easy fix where you can just run a Google search or you can do a lighthouse check and get after the issue or the source of the issue and fix it. It's not a really challenging one. The next one, how to fix the no products on the website. It is when most of the times there's a problem in your feed. The feed is used to get your products from a Shopify website or a WooCommerce website or a BigCommerce or whatever platform you are using to the Google Shopping, the Google Merchant Center. If there is a problem in the feed, then the Google Merchant Center will not see any products, so it will give you this error. Again, an easy fix. The unverified phone number, Google always wants to see that all the things that you have on your website are verified. From your website URL to the address to the phone number. A phone number unverified, again, an easy fix. If you see one of these, then you can just go into the Merchant Center and go over the issue, follow the step-by-step guide that Google gives, and it will be solved. Same as for the invalid store name. Most of the times this means that you haven't claimed your domain yet. Checkout incomplete, warning suspension. This is when there is a problem in your checkout process. If you see this issue, just go over your whole process by yourself and see where you run into the problem. Most of the times this one is connected with the next one, user cannot purchase. The how to fix insufficient contact information. This is when, for example, in the footer you you didn't add the right information, your address is not listed there. Your customer service email address is not listed there, your opening times are not listed there, or something like that. It could also mean that you don't have a contact page, you don't have a contact form, or in your return page or refund page, you don't have a customer service email address. It should be an easy fix for you. Landing page not working. This could be that when you have on your website a lot of 404 links, so it means a page not found. Then Google will have the same issue because they scrape your whole website. So it goes through all the pages, it clicks on all the buttons, and when it has problems with certain pages or pictures that are not loading, it can give you this message. This could also be shown as the second point, website needs improvement. This one, it could also mean that there are a lot of 404 errors. Unsupported shopping content. When you have unsupported shopping content, go into the Google Merchant Center and it will show you in the account issues. This one is a little bit more tricky because it can be a lot of different things. It can be associated with the product, but it could also be with the information you have on your website. The next issue, the missing return and refund policy. If you don't have a dedicated page on your website that explains to the customer on how they should return or refund a product in case they are not happy with it, then Google will not allow your Merchant Center. They will suspend it, and the reason because this is Google wants the best possible user experience for the user of Google. So not for you using the Google Merchant Center, but the end customer, your customer. The reason for this is when a customer has a bad experience with your website and they came through Google, they will associate Google with the bad experience they had on your website. And this is something that Google, by all means, wants to prevent. This most of the times will result in a suspension of your merchant center or suspension in certain products of your website. The next one, misleading or unrealistic promotions. This could be that on your website you have a lot of discounts or really high discounts. For example, if all products on your website have a discount or you have discounts of 80%, Google will see this as unrealistic. It could also mean the misleading or unrealistic promotions that you are promoting products that are not in stock. So when a customer would go from the Google shopping feed to your website and then see that the product they want to buy is unavailable, then this gives Google a bad reputation because it advertises products that the user cannot buy in the end. So it will give you minus points and then it will shut you down. Next one, login required, is a really easy fix. You just have to verify it yourself. Restricted purchase, this can be that the products that you are trying to advertise are not available. They cannot be sold or some other issues. Or linked account suspension. This could be that you have accounts linked to your Google Merchant Center that are already suspended. A email address, a Shopify, a Gmail account, a Google Ads account, or something like this. Delete them, unlink them, and create a new one, and most of the times this issue will be fixed. These are the most common issues that Google will give you, and most of the times they consist of two different things. You have the product level issues and the account level issues. Product level issues, they are in two different ways, the warnings and the disapprovals. When you have a warning will mean it is not immediately causing your account to be suspended. Warnings are important to fix because if you have too many warnings, then your account will get suspended. But if you have, let's say, 100 products and you have 1 or 2 warnings, it's not an issue. When it comes to the 5% or the 10% of your total products, then it could become an issue. Disapprovals, you need to fix immediately. Disapprovals, they are against Google's policy. And when you have disapprovals in your products, then Google will suspend your whole merchant center. This will lead to a suspension on the account level. So keep in mind that product level issues and account level issues are two separate things. So the product level issues are only focused on your products. It could be one product that has an issue, for example, a product overlay, that you're advertising weapons, drugs, sex, nudes, something like that. It doesn't always mean that you're actually advertising that, but it means that Google associates it with it. When you have too many of these products, then Google will suspend your account. Look at them and fix them. Last on this, an easy fix for this is just to go to your platform, Shopify for example, and then take them off the sales channel. Take them off the sales channel so that they are not visible in Google. Google will not see them, but also remember to archive your products. If you don't archive them, Google can still see them in a different way when it scrapes your whole website. Then you have the account level issues. Here it is again kind of the same in warning and suspensions. Warnings, they are not immediately causing your account to be suspended, but if you have too many of them, your account will get suspended. Suspensions, this means that your account will be totally banned from using the Google Shopping service for the moment. If you get it fixed, if you get all your suspension issues out of your account, then the problem is solved. You can get a review and your account will get approved again. This is the short overview of all the different issues you can have as listed here and the ways it can be an issue, a product level issue or an account issue. Google wants to help you, and for that they have created this page. I will quickly show it. So in the link, and I will also add the link in the description of this video, it shows you all the different issues it has with explanations and also a little bit more information about the product level issues and about the account level issues. You can easily click in the Merchant Center to products, go to diagnostics, and you can see the exact reason why it's affected. Same as for the products, for the account level issues. go to products, go to diagnostics, and account issues. So for now, that's it. If you have any questions or any remarks, drop a comment in the if you have any issues, if you run into any problems, drop me a comment and I will make sure to respond to you. So that's it for this video. If you run into any problems or if you have any issues or questions, drop a comment below. I will make sure to respond to them. And for now, I wish you really good luck. For all the issues that I listed in this video, we will also be making separate videos to go a little bit deeper than just the information that Google has online. So that's it for this first video. I hope this gives you a lot more clarification on the different types of problems you can run into with getting your merger center approved. Good luck with everything. I will list the link here below and drop me a comment if you have any issues or questions or So that was it for this video. I hope it will give you a lot more clarification on the different issues that Google can give you when trying to approve your merchant center. If you have any more questions, remarks, or you want a specific problem explained, then drop a comment below. I will make sure to respond and I will follow. So that's it for this first video. If you have any issues, if you run into any problems, if you have questions or you want a specific problem explained, drop a comment below. I will make a video about it and I'm here to help you. So I will also respond on all the questions. For now, good luck. And we'll be making videos on all the different issues that Google can throw in your direction. So keep an eye on our profile, drop a like or subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Good luck.